Depot Street is the way to go.
Okay.
Driving on the highway in the blizzard. This is a major highway, as you can see, the very slow going, covered with snow. Still snowing. They said it's going to stop at noontime. It's 4:35 right now, and it's still coming down pretty hard. We're heading to Kevin's house because we have no power, no heat, no water. We're freezing. Kevin was nice enough to invite us. He still has power. We're gonna have Korean barbecue, shower, heat up a little bit, and then go back to freeze at night at home. Hopefully we get power soon. If we don't, this may be our last transmission. Farewell. Anything to add, Diana?
No. Just pay attention to the road. Okay. Out.